Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Malaysia. This is from a company called KampongKu, and they've got fancy Malaysian varieties, new ones in this box. So let's crack it open and see what we got here. Wow. So it looks like they've sent a variety of their different noodle products, and so let's take a look at them. Here's this one. This is Hiam, and this is a Red Chef variety. Red Chef and KampongKu are kind of intertwined, and as you'll notice, there's a top 10 sticker here. That's because they're on the top 10 list. And here's the rice vermicelli version of the Hiam. And this one doesn't have a top 10 sticker, but it would if I would get off my butt and do another top 10 rice noodle list. So yeah, this is really good stuff. One of my favorites is their curry seafood fried noodles. So it's kind of like a curry seafood mee goreng. And the same kind of thing, however, in a garlic black pepper flavor. You'll notice it says chunky here, and the paste that comes with this has nice little bits of shrimp, and yeah, it's good stuff. And here's one of the new varieties, Penang prawn soup noodles. I love the strong prawn flavors of Penang, and Malaysian food is to die for, and I have a feeling this is gonna be good. And we finished the box with one of my favorite varieties out of Southeast Asia ever. I haven't tried this one yet, but I love curry laksa, and this is their curry laksa soup noodle from KampongKu. I've known these folks that make these noodles for a long time, and I have a feeling they wouldn't put out something unless it was top notch. So I am really looking forward to trying this. Well, thank you very much to the nice folks over at KampongKu Red Chef for shooting this over. I am really excited to try these new varieties, and yeah, cool. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.